Hey everyone, check out this super cool website, BioniChaos.com. It's got all sorts of interactive tools for exploring biomedical data, technology, and education. From quantum wave function simulations to interactive neuron simulations, there's tons of interesting stuff to explore. You can even look at MRI images, explore magnetic fields, and even check out interactive AI tools. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in these fields. So head over to bionichaos.com and dive in. And let us know what you think in the comments. Which tools do you find the most interesting? Your feedback is really helpful. Scrolling down, you can see even more in-depth tools. There's an interactive EEG simulation for exploring brain signals, a Fourier Series visualization to break down complex signals, and even an AI tool that understands why, exploring causality. For those interested in hardware, there's a cochlear implant simulator and information on EEG technologies. Have you ever wondered how brain signals can be decoded into speech? This website has tools to explore that too. Seriously, go check out bionichaos.com. Play around with these simulations and let us know what sparks your curiosity. Your feedback is super valuable for making these tools even better. As you scroll further, you'll find even more intriguing tools. There's a real-time speech visualizer, an EEG to music converter, and even a vision impairment simulator. Plus, there's a fascinating case study on a medtech company and interactive tools about brain-computer interfaces. It's amazing how technology can help us understand the human body in such detail, right? Don't miss out. Visit bionichaos.com and explore all these incredible simulations. We'd love to hear your thoughts on which tools you find the most engaging or useful. Okay, scrolling down further, you can see even more fascinating tools. There's an EEG spectrogram for visualizing brainwave frequencies, and there's a tool to explore the ethical concerns of neural implants. You can also learn about the history of EEG with the 100 Years of EEG feature. Isn't it amazing how much we can learn through these interactive tools? Seriously, head over to bionichaos.com and check it all out. Let us know which tools you find the most interesting and informative. Your feedback helps us make the site even better. Wow, the page keeps getting more interesting. Now you can dive deeper into EEG concepts, exploring impedance, and even using a synthetic EEG signal generator. There's also information on EEG monitoring in the ICU and a critical review of its diagnostic limitations. Isn't it fascinating how detailed these simulations are? Don't miss out on exploring these advanced tools. Visit bionichaos.com and see for yourself how deeply you can explore these concepts. We're eager to hear your thoughts on the more technical aspects and which simulations you find the most insightful. Scrolling down further, you'll find some really advanced ECG tools. There's an ECG waveform feature extractor, which allows for detailed analysis of ECG waveforms, and an ECG simulator for generating and visualizing ECG data for educational purposes. As a biomedical engineering student, I'd highly recommend checking out the EEG spectrum visualizer and the EEG cross-coherence function. They offer powerful ways to analyze brain activity and understand complex brainwave connectivity, which can be incredibly valuable for your studies. Don't forget to visit bionichaos.com and explore these tools for yourself. We'd love to hear your insights after you've had a chance to try them out. As you scroll down further, you'll see even more interesting tools, like the Neural Network Trainer for experimenting with machine learning, and a Brain 3D Viewer for interactive brain anatomy exploration. There are also tools for image compression using wavelets and feature extraction from images. If I were a biomedical engineering student, I'd definitely dive into the Brain 3D Viewer and the EEG Spectrum Visualizer. They offer fantastic ways to understand brain anatomy and activity interactively. Don't forget to visit bionichaos.com and explore these incredible tools. We're excited to hear your thoughts and experiences with these advanced simulations. Welcome to the Image Compression Using Wavelet Transform tool. Here you can see an MRI brain image on the left, which represents the original image. On the right, you'll see the compressed image. You can adjust the bits and levels settings to see how they affect the compression quality and the resulting image. Notice how the image changes as you modify these parameters. Isn't it fascinating how Wavelet Transform allows for efficient compression? Try experimenting with the bits and levels and see the trade-offs between compression rate and image quality for yourself. What changes do you notice as you adjust the settings? On the page, you're looking at a tool for image compression using the Wavelet Transform. The image on the left is the original image, and the one on the right is the compressed version. You can select a different image from the drop-down menu. The current image appears to show an abnormality, possibly a pontine infarct based on its location and appearance in the brain MRI. Below the images, you can adjust the bits and levels, which affect the compression quality. You can also change the wavelet type to see how different wavelet transforms impact the compressed image. The PSNR value displayed indicates the quality of the compressed image. By changing these parameters, you can explore the trade-offs between image quality and compression efficiency. Even with compression, take a look at the image on the right. Notice how the pontine infarct is still quite clearly visible despite the compression applied. This tool beautifully demonstrates how wavelet compression can retain important medical details even with reduced image size. Isn't that impressive? We encourage you to visit BioniChaos.com and try it out for yourself. Experiment with different images and settings and see the impact on image quality. We'd love to hear what you discover. As you change the wavelet type, you're seeing how different wavelet functions affect the compressed image. Each wavelet function has a unique way of decomposing the image into different frequency components. Notice how the quality and appearance of the compressed image change as you cycle through the various wavelet options. Different wavelet types are suited for different image characteristics, and selecting the right one can optimize the compression process. This tool is a great way to learn about the practical applications of wavelet transforms in image compression. We highly recommend you explore the different wavelet types on BioniChaos.com to see the effects firsthand. Absolutely. Have you ever wondered how image quality changes with different wavelet types? What kind of details do you notice disappearing as you switch between wavelets? And isn't it fascinating how different algorithms can handle image compression so differently? Explore the possibilities for yourself on BioniChaos.com. Try changing the wavelet types yourself and see the impact on the image quality with your own eyes. It's a really interactive way to understand the power of wavelet transforms. And while you're there, don't forget to check out the other interactive tools on the website. You might discover some more interesting concepts and applications. Let's explore further into the fascinating tools on BioniChaos.com. Beyond image compression, have you explored the synthetic noise generator dashboard? It's a powerful tool for creating various types of synthetic noise for different applications. And don't miss the tools related to biomedical signal recording, like understanding sampling rates and the Bland-Altman plot. They offer valuable insights into data analysis. Have you considered how these tools could be useful in your own projects or learning? We encourage you to explore the website, try out these interactive tools, and see how they can deepen your understanding. Your feedback is valuable, so let us know what you think. All right, let's explore the synthetic noise generator dashboard. As you can see, there's a drop-down menu to select different noise types, including Gaussian white noise, periodic noise, and inverse F noise. Each noise type has unique properties, visualized in both the time and frequency domains. Go ahead, select a different noise type, and click the Generate button to see the results. It's a fantastic way to understand the characteristics of various noise signals. Isn't it amazing how you can generate these complex signals so easily? Play around with the different noise types and observe their waveforms in the time and frequency domains. We highly recommend you visit BioniChaos.com and explore this tool firsthand. And don't forget to check out the other interactive features available. Let us know what you discover. Absolutely. As you scroll down, you'll find other intriguing interactive tools. For example, the EEG electrode positions provides a great way to understand the 1020 and 1010 electrode systems used in EEG recordings. It's crucial for anyone working with brain activity data. Further down, you can explore the image fraud detection tool and learn how to detect potential image alterations using error level analysis. That's a pretty powerful technique for verifying image authenticity. We encourage you to delve into each of these interactive features to see what insights you can gain. It's a fantastic platform for hands-on learning. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore all the cool things you can do there. Absolutely. We highly encourage you to visit BioniChaos.com and explore these fascinating interactive tools for yourselves. We'd love to hear your feedback on your experience and what you learned. So please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you found this information helpful and engaging, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Your support helps us create more educational resources. Thanks for watching and exploring with us.
Okay, and there's obviously a human in the loop as well. If you need a human touch, do let us know as well. So we'll finish for today. Focusing on MRI. They made this simulation, which is quite successful, I think. But if you have any comments, do let us know. Seemed to work pretty well. We have this cam filter as well that you can check out. Did I share it? Yes, I did. So all the links are in the chat or the comments for the video. Yeah, we had this synthetic MRI generation. That one we'll probably get rid of. See how we go later. We have some new tools coming shortly as well. They already published, but we haven't covered them yet in videos. So yeah, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe as well. And I'll see you next time.